y'all go? Man, welcome to the Cooking Channel. Man, I got an oldie but goodie. Man, I had some people talking about the cornbread. The cornbread on my channel said I made some pretty good looking cornbread when I do it. But when I make the cornbread on the channel, usually it's a packaged cornbread. I didn't never go back to the old school. But so you want to know some cornbread? I'm going to take you to the old school. We're going to do hot water cornbread today. Oh man, you ain't never had hot water cornbread? Come here, let me show you how we can do that there. Now check this out here. Now, I'm not too good at measuring stuff because I do stuff, you know what I'm saying, from my mind. But about 2 cups of cornmeal, cup of flour, you're going to need 2 eggs room temperature. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, which you're going to come out just a little pinch on the end of the spoon of salt. And we're going to use a little hot water and you're going to need a little grease to fry it in. The grease, you just pat a little bit on your pan just to coat it, not enough to get them greasy. And man, you talking about gonna be good. And this is just gonna be hot water cornbread. Oh, what you gonna eat with it, Cooking Channel? Come in, let me show you that there. I'm finna make some chili beans. Now, on my chili beans, I got some chili meat. I got a pound of chili meat, a pound of ground meat. And I'm also gonna add some sausage. I like a lot of meat in my bean, my chili beans. Really, I'm showing you the hot water cornbread. I'm just showing you what I'm cooking with it. And I got my beans over here boiling. And I also gonna have, bam, some chillings. Oh yeah, some good old-fashioned chillings with some chili beans. Oh man. Ooh, some hot water cornbread. Ooh, that reminds me of that Soul Food Sunday. Oh man, let's heat it up. Ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking Channel, boy. We finna do this hot water cornbread, oh man. And I already put it together. I showed you what to do. Now you got to add your hot water now slow. Come here, let me show you this here, right? Put that bill down. Now, I add my hot water very, very slowly to this here. You mix all your ingredients together. And this is how you're probably gonna look. But anyway, I'll show you how to do it. Take that, put in your grease. Hot water cornbread. Make sure your water good and hot. Get them down. Put them on that one. There we go. And then you just let them fry like that. Now check this out here. Them chillings, oh man, they're nice, tender. They got pretty, white, and clean. They come along real good. Now, come here, let me show you these chili beans. Oh boy, look at that. Man, look at that. Sausage, ground meat, chili meat, onions, bell pepper. Oh man, even got some rotel off in there. Oh man, y'all don't even know, man. Y'all don't even know. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's do this here. Alrighty, y'all, man, welcome back to the Cooking Channel. Now, I know y'all be like, man, Cooking Channel, you didn't really go step by step. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm a basic trainer. I'm a general. So I'm not going to show you step by step because the hot water cornbread, that took really 6 minutes of video time to show you how to just add a little hot water at a time, mix up the ingredients I showed you, and just add a little hot water at a time. You don't want it too thick. You don't want it too thin. You got to get that right consistency. You know, so it's kind of a basic thing that you got to do. Now come here, let me show you how it looked though when it's done. It's worth it. Look at that. You got your hot water cornbread. Look at that. Now look at that. Cuts loose. Look at that. Look at the beans. The beans got chili meat. It's got chili meat, ground meat, and sausage in it. Look at that. Got your rotel in there, your onions, the bell pepper. Look at your chillings. Got a little hot sauce on the chillings. Now you can just get you like that there. And some chili bean. With some chili. Man. I don't know what to say.